Hi, Daniel back for another Lego video, and today we are going to be looking at Lego stop motion with Studio. So doing the Lego stop motion with the app. So my setup here with 7skin. If you don't know what 7skin is, it's basically an effect so you know what your last photo was. So right now I'm doing over here. So yeah, and let's get to it. So here's all the things on the app. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, here, that's better. So this is the photo button, which I just took a photo. I don't know if I needed to or not. Here's the summoning skin effect thing, as in like it makes the summon skin effect. Here shows you the lighting, the how far zoomed in you want it, and all that kind of stuff. And then this shows you the whole video, and then this goes back to main menu. Like, and then just while I'm here, and then the time, the clock, little clock there, you can time, and then each, like, let's say if I set it to there, each 15 seconds, it would take a photo. So, I'll show you main menu. So, as you can see, I've taken on love photos, 117. So, yeah. Then that plays the whole stop motion. That undoes something, I think, I don't know. And, that setting, then I don't know what that plus is. I forget. I don't really use it. And then this goes back to main menu, like full main menu, to where all your stop motion studios are. Then that microphone is the voiceover for the whole stop motion, so you can talk for your minifigs. So this exclamation mark tells you what all the things are. So let's see. There's everything paused because I don't know. Hopefully you've got all that. So yeah. So that's everything here. See, I think it went out of focus automatically. So these are the settings for when you're taking photos. So this is focus, so it just went out of focus for me. So I'll just refocus it and I'll be back. Alright, I've refocused and everything, and it's time to start stop motioning. So let's get to it. So first things first, right now, let me just quickly turn around. So right now everything's in the position I need them. So first things first, I'm going to move this character with his leg first, and then, since these two are training, I'm going to be moving this one back up for his landing. So, gotta remember where the minifigs goes. I think that's it. Just bend over a bit. Then this character moves back all the way over because he's been well attacked. And then over here, what's it called? We gotta move this minifigure. These little fire things always come off. So then moving down all the way around, almost. Don't want to get this minifigure in the shot. So then this one I'm using this tree as the wind. And then this one I don't need to move because it's not in the shot. Unless if I want it to go back in this shot. So that's everything. And I'll take my photo. So here, taking my photo. Everything's moved a bit, and then since it's all weird looking, it's because of the salmon skin over here. So take a photo, then back to normal, and then we do that again. So back down here, moving this character. It's really hard with one hand. So then this guy goes down flat, and then this guy pulls back up. And then this person turns around to the one she wants to shoot next. That'd be this one. And then you do the next photo. Make sure you've moved everything here or where your shot is. Sometimes I forget to move minifigs, but that doesn't stop me from continuing my stop motions. So then I take my next shot up here, and then photo, reset, and here's my stop motion. 119 photos so far. So this is from the start, what I've done so far. Haven't quite yet put the sound in. It's a lot because you can slow down the frames or make it go faster, whichever one. So that's in settings here. So settings, all this sort of stuff. So don't want to bump your phone, because then that's why I have summoning skin, so then I can move it back to where I want it. So yeah, it's really useful to have a tripod because then you don't need to hold it. And it's really useful to have this app. So this app will be in the links below, like in my last stop motion video. It's close and basically same spot. I don't mind a few minor things for my stop motion, but if you want a perfect stop motion, I suggest you make it all perfect. So, and then we do it again. So down. Now what you really want to do is make sure the minifigure always is in the spot where you want him. So then this guy all the way back. Okay. I'll be back with the finished product, I guess. Alrighty, so that's for this Lego stop motion video, and hope you liked this video, and subscribe and like this video, and see you next time. Bye. Shout out to anyone who sees my spelling mistakes, and and little messages. So yeah, hope you know where my secret messages are. Bye.